What's good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We back, bruh. Hope you guys are doing good, man. Hope you guys are having a great day, blessed time right now. Hope you guys are grubbing your food, eating your food right now while you're watching this video. But today I'm going to put in some coil packs that are right there. Nice 4 coil packs. And I also have something else I have to put on, but I might make this a 2-part video because I have to go do some things early or later. So I'm about to throw this on real quick, and I also have to fix my intake because when I put everything back together in the last video, I guess I put the intake pipe too low, and it's when the car is on, I guess it's jumping around and it's hitting something to make my brake pedal vibrate a lot, and it makes it like a tapping, like a knocking on my pedal. And I thought that my freaking pedal or some shit was thought it was donezo, but I found out, I looked up on forums and stuff, that it was probably just the intake, because they're talking about aftermarket intakes do that. So fix that too. Let's get it. But if I go stage 2 right now, which I can't because I don't have a downpipe, but if I go stage 2, bruh, those coil packs are just they're gonna blow, and that's not good, bruh. I'm not trying to have that. So upgraded to some RA coil packs, about to drop them in. It'll be like 10 minutes. This is easy work right here, but about to do that right now. I'll do it. So basically, see, this is the thing with the intake that I'm gonna tell you about. So that thing back there is 2 in. So then this right here, since the car is on, is hitting this thing, I guess down here or something. It's just, it's going crazy. But yo, I think it's all messed up. Well, so these right here are the coil packs. And I have to change these because those things are gonna blow. So basically all I gotta do is clip these off from back here, and then pop these out with a flathead or whatever, and then just right in there. It should be good. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see me that good, but anyways, basically I just gotta pop these out right here. Hey man, damn, you guys can't see me that good. Boo boo, but try to be down here. But what's it called? Oh man, what am I doing? Yo, what the fuck is happening here? Alright, there we go. I keep stuttering, yo. Yo, you guys should let me know what kind of content you guys want to see, man, because I don't know if you guys like these videos or not. So just let me know. Ooh, you guys gotta let me know, you feel me? Whatever you guys want to see, man, I will do for you guys. I'm telling you, if you guys want to see challenge videos, or if you want to see whatever you guys want to see, let me know. You want to see me go fucking jump off a bridge or something and not die, I will do it. Oh no, I won't do that, I'm joking. But just no fun things. Just let me know in the comment, bro. Let me know in the comment, guys, what you guys want to see, because I don't know if you guys are enjoying these videos. But I'm about to get these things out. Yo, I promise you, you have to like pry these things out. Yo, these things are like suctioned in there, yo. Like, you put them in and it's just boom. You gotta get a big old flathead to just see. I got a little baby thing. I don't know why I'm using this. I'm about to go get a bigger one. But these things are hard to take out, yo. I thought shit was gonna be easy. Man, what the fuck? I'm tripping. Oh yeah. Got the big daddy now. I'm about to get these out. Oh, there you go. Y'all gotta move. Oh, these things are crusty. Come on, buddy. These are not dirty. What the hell? Oh, there we go. Ah! Bam! That's one. Man, these things are crusty. They're like dusty. What the hell? Yo, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to change my spark plugs, yo. Cause I don't know what they've done to this car, because you know I bought this car from a dealer, and this car was a rebuilt title, so I don't know what the hell they've been putting in his whip. So I mean, my car is chilling, you feel me? It's not like spark plugs are bad. You never know, man. You never know how old these spark plugs are, and need time for a change. I'm already at 75,000 miles, yo. You feel me? This car getting old, man. But god damn, things are on there. Yo, they're like dusty. Why they so dusty? You hear it? Alright, so now I got all four. I'm about to say 5 or something. I got all 4 coil packs out, and now I'm about to just pop these right in. Ready? Oh, get out of the way. Boom. That's it. Is it in on my way? Yeah. Ooh, snap. Boom. Make sure these things are in. That's 2. Oh, that scared me, yo. I need to get out of the way, man. Get up in there. Yeah. Damn, I'm blood now. I'm blood. I got red up in here and stuff. Last one. And I'm done. Ugh. Hey. Alright guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe. Peace out. Nah, I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you. Nah, I still gotta do that intake. And I still have to turn the car on, because I don't even know if these are gonna work. What if they don't work? What if they just gotta make sure. Nah, they'll work. They'll be alright. But you gotta turn it on and check, just in case. You gotta return it, you feel me? But I'm gonna do that intake real quick, turn the car on, then I gotta do the other thing later, which you guys are about to see too. Got those connected. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this just looks so nice. Look how nice they look. Ooh, they so fresh and clean. Alright, so I got that in, and now I gotta get that bolt right there. This one, this, I have to take this off and then move the intake up. So this thing down here, it's not like all slouchy and stuff, you feel me? Yo, I swear, it's always something that goes wrong. I just pulled my brother just now, yo. I just broke that little tab that I fixed in the last video on my intake. I just broke it just like he did. I pulled the thing up and then it just right off, yo. Oh my gosh. I feel dumb. Freaking thing back there doesn't want to go because I have to use the Allen key, and the Allen key is too long, so I'm over here playing around, and I went to go pull this thing back up, and then all I heard was a snap. That junk is broke. Well, I got that up a little bit more so you guys can see it's like a little rubber mark right here, but you know how this thing was all the way down. Focus. See, it was all the way down, but now you got a little bit more space, and it was hitting on this cap right here. It was hitting all this. So then this goes to the brake, and then all you feel is in the brake, and it goes crazy. And then now I have another situation. Oh damn! Oh, right here, that thing is cracking too, and that's the only tab that's left for the intake. Bruh, it's not good. Damn, this focus is boo boo. But I'm about to turn the car on. Hopefully, don't get misfires in the car, because if I do, then those coil packs are they're killed. But about to turn the car on and see what happens. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. Hey, I'm scared. I'm scared. Here we go. Hey, we chillin'. Hey. Chillin'. Hey, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but you see how this thing is vibrating a lot? Look. So when the car is going, it freaking jumps down and it hits that thing down there, and that's what,
You feel me? But this thing's kind of rattling a lot. I don't know why. Maybe because this thing broke. But I'm about to take it on the test drive and see how it does.
Real quick. Let's see if I have any misfires or not. Read codes. No codes. Alright, I'm gonna take it on a little test drive. I would record it, but like I said, I don't have anything to like. I mean, I can get something to like put up here or something, but hey, look at my headline. That jump look lit, ain't it? But I don't have anything to like, you know, pop up. But I'm about to take it for a test drive and let you guys know what happened. If I get stuck on the road, you're gonna see me on the road like, hey, what's good, guys? But no, I don't think that'll happen. But everything went fine. The test drive went good. Did a pull in it, you feel me? I did like a couple, 2 or 3, make sure no misfires or nothing. And that vibration is gone, yo. Oh my gosh. You understand how much vibration I was feeling in my pedal. It was so annoying. And there's like a knocking in it too. But now it's gone after I put it up. Pfft, crispy, yo. It's like I got everything's just brand new. But now, as I open the thing, I hear a little thing. And tell me how I find out that my coolant little thingy, I think that's the coolant. I'm pretty sure that is where the coolant goes. It has a freaking hole in it, yo. What the and it's leaking too, yo. The little air bubbles, that means all that stuff is coming out. You can see it all around. Look at all this. That's all is freaking leaking, yo. I'm so tight. And it's freaking crazy because when I changed my time tensioner in this car, this thing had a screw in it. The one I had before had a screw in it, and my dad went to the freaking the junkyard to get a new one, and he got this one. Well, it's not new, but he got this one. It was perfectly fine, and then now look, the freaking little hole, bro. Wow, I'm tight. I'm real tight. Maybe I don't know if I can even put anything on that. I probably can, but that's another thing I gotta fix now. But damn, I just paused for a minute. But now I'm going to put, well, I'm not gonna do it today. I'm probably gonna do it in a day or two. I'm gonna put something else that I'm gonna show you guys after this cutscene probably. So I'm gonna put that in, and that's what I'm hyped about. I ain't gonna lie. Got blessed, you feel me? But boy, got the nice RA coil packs in. Fixed the intake problem. Gucci, man. But now I gotta fix the freaking tab on the intake. That shit broke. Man, I swear, it's always something with cars, bro.
One eternity later.
Yo, couple days have passed. Today it's Thursday, so it's been 3 days since Monday. So I'm going to put the blow off valve on, and honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna record it a lot because I have to be under the car the whole time, and it's tight under there, yo. Like, what I have to do is just, it's so deep in there, so I don't know if I'm gonna record it a lot, but I'm going to show you what I have to do and where I have to go to get the stock DV off and put that on. But I'm about to jack up the car, get the wheel off, and start doing this. Alright guys, so I'm under the car right now, and I don't know if you guys can see that little square looking thing right there. Right there, it's kind of dark. But I have to get that out. It has 3 bolts right there. See, it's kind of tight, so it's like, it's what I mean about trying to record and stuff. But it's kind of tight, but I have to get that out and then put the new one in. See, this is the stock DV right here that I just took off. And then my brother over there has a new one. So we're trying to loosen it, but that junk doesn't want to get loose. Because whoever I got it from freaking like godly tight in there some shit, but got this shit off. It was freaking filthy. And so basically with this, I have to plug this in where that sensor was. See what this little thing was? This little thing. Well, I don't plug it in there, but I plug this where this that sensor thing was plugged into, because this is like a bypass. And then this has a tube that goes all the way down there, all the way up here into the intake manifold. And this is basically like a manual blow-off valve, as you could say, because they're electronic. So they're based off, they open and close electronically, you feel me? But that is like manually. But I'm gonna continue on this because I've been on this job for probably 40 minutes. This job's freaking hard and it's annoying, but after taking this off, it's cake. Putting it back in is easy, but let me get this done. Hey.
Alright guys, it is really dark and I have to flash so you guys can see, but I got everything connected. I got the plug down there connected, and all I have to do now is just hook this wire up to the thing right here, intake manifold, put the boost tap, and then I am done. And I'm gonna try to get a sound clip for you guys. I'm not sure. I probably am gonna do it, but I'm gonna do that right now and finish this. Alright guys, so I turned the car on already. I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared to even drive my car. I don't know why. I've never had this type of like blow off on. It's like so different from what I've had. I've had the DV, but it was like an eBay one, like DV Plus, and I've had the spacer, and that's it. This is like completely high quality stuff, you feel me? So I don't know how this is gonna sound. I don't even know if it's gonna work. I'm scared. Oh, it sounds weird.
Y'all look disgusting. Look at my eyebrows. Look at it. Woo. Oh yeah, guys, I had to put my old glasses back on because I broke my other ones. I just dropped them. But anyways, y'all look like I got a unibrow. My hands, yo. But I did the test drive, right? Yo, I don't know what that guy did to that boost fucking diverter valve, bro. But it's like, it's weird. It does, because the thing is with that DV or the blow off valve, you can adjust it, but you have to adjust it to the perfect like place where it's kind of like a preload. Like you have to have it at the perfect amount, you know what I'm saying? Like just like coilovers, you know what I'm saying? You have to have it perfect. But I don't know what that guy did. He messed it up so bad. I'm gonna end the video here. Man, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like for my unibrow, bro, and my dirty fingers. I'm gonna touch you with my fingers. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vid, man. There's gonna be more vids coming out. So, peace out. One love. I don't know what I'm doing with my fingers. Look at my freaking unibrow, bro. Whoa, look at it. But peace out, guys. Have a good night or good day or whatever time you're looking at it. Have a good day. Just have a good day. All right, have a good day. Peace out.